Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing the fundamentals moving the market for gold from 6th till 12th September that would be categorized under the banner of bullish and bearish. So coming on the bearish fundamentals, the first bearish fundamental which we can see is that we have seen an lower low or a sharp decrease in the prices for the USD, which was initially a positive sign for the gold. However, now many analysts on the Wall Streets are hoping for an economic recovery, as we can see, and due to which we can see that the depreciation which we have seen in the prices for the USD, and the USD has made its higher high move in December. In March, we can see now that the USD could continue its higher high move after a steep sell off due to the COVID-19, and we can see that the USD can move towards its higher highs of March. Now, more bearish news is that meanwhile the World Health Organization spokesman Friday did expect a widespread of vaccine against COVID-19 until some around mid of next year. Now, furthermore, we can see throughout the world the COVID-19 patients reported are being decreased, which means that the uncertainty spread by the COVID-19 is being decreasing as the time passes, which means we can further see an appreciation in the prices for the gold, and that is a key element due to which we should focus and we should trade gold around that particular fundamental, as the COVID-19 was the main catalyst due to which we have seen a high move in the gold from some around 1550 to some around 2000 points, which thus this suggests that if we see a decrease in the uncertainty and the catalyst which was the COVID-19, we are seeing that the world is fighting against it, and any successful vaccine trials have been seen in the past, which means that the different pharmaceutical companies are being able to manufacture the COVID-19 vaccine. However, the spread of these vaccines have raised some questions, and many analysts are saying it would take some around 1.5 years to spread. However, the vaccines are ready, due to which this suggests that the uncertainty in the market has been decreasing, due to which we can see an depreciation in the prices for the gold. Now, coming on the bullish perspective, why we should be bullish for the gold is as the unemployment would still be some around 11.5 million below its pre-pandemic level, and the slowing growth could add pressure on the US policymakers to restart and negotiating for another fiscal package. Moreover, meanwhile, World Health Organization spokesman said on the Friday it does not expect widespread vaccines against COVID-19 until mid of 2021. Moreover, the Senate Republicans are due to hold a vote on their proposal of some around 500 billion package next week, according to the Bloomberg. There's still a long way from the last 2.2 billion package from Pelosi. Moreover, we can see that if the fiscal policies or the packages are passed by the Senate, this means that there would be an further or an advanced depreciation in the prices for the gold. In the prices for the dollar, that would act as a catalyst, and the prices for the gold would appreciate as the dollar will lose its worth if 500 billion package are released. In this part of the video, we would be discussing about the economic events moving the market for gold from 6th till 12th September. So on Monday, due to the labor holiday, we aren't having any economic event. On Tuesday also we do not have any significant economic event. Now coming on Wednesday, Sep 9, we have a strong orange Sep 9 in Asia and 8 Sep 8 in US. So on Wednesday or Tuesday we are having joint or jobs opening, job openings. So the forecast value is some around 6.00 million. If we get numbers greater than 6.00 millions, that would be an buy. That would be an selling opportunity for the gold. However, if we get numbers less than 6.00 million, that would be an buying opportunity for the gold. Now, why traders or what is a job opening? It is a survey done by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics to help measure job vacancies. It collects data from employers about their businesses, employment, job opening, recruitments, hires, and separations. Job defines job opening as all positions that are open, not filed. Now, coming on the Thursday, 9 September in US and 10 September in Asia, we are having two economic events. The first is initial jobless claim, and the second is PPI. So the initial job loss claim, it is a claim measure where it measures the number of individuals who have filed for the unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. This is the earliest US economic data, but the market impact varies from week to week. Higher than expected reading should be taken as an positive. However, the lower than expected reading should be taken as a negative for the gold. Now, the forecast value for the initial job loss claim is some around 838k. If we get less numbers such as 738 or more lower, that would trigger a sale position for the gold. And if we get numbers greater than 838 such as 938 or 948 or more higher, that would trigger a long position for the gold. Now coming on PPI, it is a producer price index measured by the change in the prices for the gold sold by the manufacturers. It is a leading indicator of consumer price inflation, which accounts for the majority of overall inflation. Higher than expected reading should be taken as a negative for the gold. However, the lower than expected reading should be taken as a positive for the gold. So the forecast value for PPI is some around 0.2. 0.2. If we get numbers higher than 0.2 such as 0.3 or 0.4, that would indicate a sale position for the gold. However, if we get numbers less than 0.2 such as 0.1 or 0.0 or any figure negative, that would trigger a long position for the gold. Now on Friday 11 Sept 11 Sept, we have a core CPI. A core CPI price index measures the change in the prices for the gold and goods and services, excluding food and energy. The CPI measures price change from the perspective of a consumer. It is a key way to measure the change in purchasing trends and inflation. The forecast value is 0.2%. If we get numbers greater than 0.2%, such as 0.3% or 0.4%, that would trigger an sale position. However, if we get numbers lower than 0.2, such as 0.1 or 0.0 or negative 0.1, that would trigger a long position for the gold. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.